Selling a home can be a stressful and time-consuming process, especially if you need to sell it quickly. Whether you're relocating for a new job, downsizing, or just want to move on, a fast sale is often the goal. However, getting a quick sale is not always easy, and it requires careful planning and execution. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll share with you some expert tips and techniques to help you sell your home in a flash. From setting the right price and staging your home to making necessary repairs and marketing your property effectively, we'll cover all the essential steps to get your home sold quickly. Kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified once we drop a new video. Whether you're a first-time seller or an experienced homeowner, these tips will help you achieve a successful and stress-free sale. 1. Stage your home to showcase its best features. Start by decluttering and depersonalizing your space. Remove any personal items, photographs, and excessive decor that may distract buyers from envisioning themselves living in the home. Clearing out clutter will make rooms appear larger and more inviting. Next, focus on highlighting the best features of your home. Consider rearranging furniture to create an open and flowy layout. Use strategic lighting to enhance the ambience and draw attention to key areas. Add fresh flowers or plants to bring life and vibrancy into each room. Don't forget about the importance of curb appeal. The exterior of your home is the first thing potential buyers will see, so make sure it leaves a positive impression. Trim bushes, mow the lawn, and add some potted plants or flowers to make your home look well maintained and welcoming. Consider hiring a professional stager who can provide expert advice and help you transform your home into a show-ready property. They have a keen eye for design and know how to arrange furniture and accessories to create an appealing atmosphere. Remember, staging is all about creating a clean, organized, and inviting space that allows buyers to envision themselves living in your home. By investing time and effort into staging, you increase the chances of selling your home quickly and at a desirable price. 2. Price it right, setting a competitive and realistic price. Start by researching the local real estate market and comparing similar properties in your area. Look at recent sales and listings to get an idea of the average prices. Take note of any unique features or upgrades your home may offer that could justify a higher price. Next, consider working with a professional real estate agent who has experience in your local market. They can provide valuable insights and help you determine an appropriate listing price based on market trends and buyer demand. Their expertise can save you time and help you avoid overpricing or underpricing your home. Remember, setting a competitive price doesn't mean undervaluing your property. It means pricing it realistically to attract potential buyers and generate interest. A well-priced home will stand out among the competition, drawing in more inquiries and potentially sparking multiple offers. Keep in mind that pricing strategies may vary depending on market conditions. In a seller's market, where demand is high and inventory is low, you may have more flexibility to set a slightly higher price. However, in a buyer's market, where there is an abundance of inventory and fewer buyers, pricing competitively becomes even more critical. Ultimately, finding the right price for your home requires careful consideration of various factors, including location, condition, features, and current market conditions. By setting a competitive and realistic price, you position yourself for a fast sale that satisfies both you and potential buyers. 3. Hire a professional photographer to capture stunning images. A professional photographer has the skills, experience, and equipment to capture your home in the best light possible. They understand how to showcase your home's unique features, highlight its best angles, and create images that evoke an emotional response from potential buyers. These stunning images will not only attract more attention online but also entice buyers to want to see your home in person. High-quality photographs can make your listing stand out among the sea of other properties, increasing the chances of generating more inquiries and showings. Moreover, professional photographers are experts in composition, lighting, and editing techniques that can enhance the visual appeal of your home. They know how to play with natural and artificial lighting, ensuring that each room looks bright, inviting, and spacious. They also have the knowledge to edit the images to perfection, removing any imperfections and making your home look its absolute best. Remember, the goal is to make potential buyers fall in love with your home at first sight. By investing in professional photography, you are taking a significant step towards achieving this. So, don't overlook the power of stunning images in selling your home quickly and for the best possible price. 4. Host open houses and private showings to generate interest. Open houses are a fantastic way to showcase your home to a wide range of potential buyers all at once. By scheduling a specific date and time, you can attract a larger pool of interested individuals who may not have been able to schedule a private showing. Make sure to advertise your open house through various channels, such as social media, online listings, and local newspapers, to ensure maximum visibility. During an open house, create an inviting and welcoming atmosphere that allows visitors to explore the property at their own pace. Declutter and stage your home to highlight its best features, ensuring that each room is clean, organized, and visually appealing. Consider adding some finishing touches, such as fresh flowers or scented candles, to create an ambience that leaves a lasting impression. In addition to open houses, private showings provide a more personalized experience for potential buyers. By scheduling private appointments, you can cater to individual preferences and provide a more focused tour of your home. This allows buyers to ask questions, envision themselves living in the space, and potentially make an offer on the spot. To make the most of private showings, be flexible with scheduling and accommodate potential buyers' availability as much as possible. Keep your home in top condition at all times, ensuring it is clean, well-maintained, and ready to impress. Consider providing informative brochures or virtual tours that buyers can take home with them to remember your property. By hosting open houses and private showings, you create opportunities for potential buyers to connect with your home on a deeper level. These events generate a sense of urgency and exclusivity, making buyers more likely to act quickly and make an offer. So, roll out the welcome mat, showcase your home's best features, and get ready to generate interest that will help you sell your home in a flash. 5. Consider working with a real estate agent for their expertise and network. A reputable real estate agent brings valuable insights into the local housing market. They have a deep understanding of current trends, pricing strategies, and buyer preferences, allowing them to accurately evaluate the market value of your home. This knowledge is crucial in positioning your property competitively, attracting potential buyers, and ultimately securing a fast sale. In addition to their market expertise, real estate agents have an extensive network of contacts within the industry. They can tap into this network to promote your listing and generate interest among qualified buyers. Through their connections, they can also facilitate showings, coordinate negotiations, and guide you through the complex paperwork involved in a home sale. Moreover, working with a real estate agent saves you valuable time and effort. They handle the time-consuming tasks of marketing, scheduling showings, and screening potential buyers. This allows you to focus on other important aspects of your life while ensuring that your home sale progresses smoothly and efficiently. While it may be tempting to sell your home independently to save on commission fees, the benefits of working with a real estate agent far outweigh the costs. Their expertise, network, and dedication to achieving a fast sale make them an invaluable asset in the process of selling your home quickly. 6. Utilize online listings and social media to reach a wider audience. Online listings provide an excellent platform to showcase your home to a wider audience. There are numerous websites dedicated to real estate listings, such as Zillow, Realtor.com, and Redfin, where buyers actively search for their dream homes. By utilizing these platforms, you can reach potential buyers who may not have otherwise come across your property. But don't stop there. Social media has become an incredibly powerful tool for connecting with audiences and spreading the word about your home sale. Create engaging posts featuring captivating photos and compelling descriptions of your property. Share these posts across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, targeting both local and wider audiences. One effective strategy is to leverage Facebook's targeted advertising options. With its vast user base and sophisticated targeting capabilities, you can narrow down your audience to individuals who are actively searching for a new home or have shown interest in real estate. This ensures that your listing is seen by the right people, increasing your chances of a swift sale. Remember, visual appeal is crucial in online listings and social media posts. Invest in professional photography, highlighting the best features of your home. Consider creating a virtual tour or video walkthrough to give potential buyers a comprehensive view of the property. By utilizing online listings and social media, you can amplify your reach, attract more potential buyers, and ultimately sell your home in a flash. Embrace the power of technology and watch as your property gains traction in the digital sphere, leading to a faster and more successful sale. We hope you found our video on expert tips for selling your home quickly helpful. Selling a home can be a stressful and time-consuming process, but with the right strategies in place, you can achieve a fast and successful sale. From enhancing curb appeal to staging your home effectively, implementing these tips will attract potential buyers and increase your chances of a quick sale. We wish you the best of luck in selling your home and hope that these expert tips bring you the desired results. Happy selling! Thanks for watching.